Credit Repair Laws and Resources. Chapter 1. Credit Repair Laws. Fair Credit Billing Act/FCBA. The Fair Credit Billing Act requires creditors to correct errors promptly and without damage to your credit rating. If you are wrongly billed for something you didn't receive or order, the Fair Credit Billing Act requires creditors to correct errors promptly and without charge or damage to your credit rating. This includes charges for something you didn't buy, someone using your credit card fraudulently, an amount different from the actual purchase price of a product, something you didn't like and returned, you were delivered the wrong merchandise, mathematical errors, failure to show any manner of legitimate credit to your account such as a returned item bought via credit card, failure to show a payment on your part, failure to mail the bill to your current address if you told the creditor about an address change at least 20 days before the end of the billing period, a questionable item that you're not aware of, wrong finance or late payment charge. A creditor who breaks the rules for the correction of billing errors automatically loses the amount owed on the item in question and any finance charges on it, up to a combined total of $50 even if the bill was correct. You, as an individual, may also sue for actual damages plus twice the amount of any finance charges, but in any case not less than $100 nor more than $1,000. You are also entitled to court costs and attorney's fees in a successful lawsuit. Class action suits are also permitted. You may sue any credit reporting agency or creditor for breaking the rules about who may see your credit records or for not correcting errors in your file. Again, you are entitled to actual damages, plus punitive damages that the court may allow if the violation is proved to have been intentional. In any successful lawsuit, you will also be awarded court costs and attorney's fees. A person who obtains a credit report without proper authorization or an employee of a credit reporting agency who gives a credit report to unauthorized persons may be fined up to $5,000 or imprisoned for 1 year or both. Fair Credit Billing Act sets up procedures requiring creditors to promptly correct billing mistakes, allowing you to withhold payments on defective goods and requiring creditors to promptly credit your payments. The Fair Credit Billing Act allows you to withhold payment on any damaged or poor quality goods or services purchased with a credit card, as long as you have made a real attempt to solve the problem with the merchant. This right may be limited if the card was a bank or travel and entertainment card or any card not issued by the store where you made your purchase. In such cases, the sale must have been for more than $50, and must have taken place in your home state or within 100 miles of your home address. Prompt credit for payments and refunds for credit balances. Some creditors will not charge a finance charge if you pay your account within a certain period of time. In this case, it is especially important that you get your bills and get credit for paying them promptly. Check your statements to make sure your creditor follows these rules. Billing. Look at the date on the postmark. If your account is one on which no finance or other charge is added before a certain due date, then creditors must mail their statements at least 14 days before payment is due. Crediting. Look at the payment date entered on the statement. Creditors must credit payments on the day they arrive, as long as you pay according to payment instructions. This means, for example, sending your payment to the address listed on the bill. Credit balances. If a credit balance results on your account, for example, because you pay more than the amount you owe or you return a purchase and the purchase price is credited to your account, the creditor must make a refund to you. The refund must be made within 7 business days after your written request or automatically if the credit balance is still in existence after 6 months. The Fair Credit Billing Act gives you 60 days to contest the billing on your credit card account. The credit card company may even absorb the loss. There is generally either an arbitration or mediation program agreed upon by the feuding parties. creditreportrepair.net/credit_laws_acts/fair_credit_billing_act.html en.wikipedia.org/wiki/fair_accurate_credit_transactions_act en.wikipedia.org/wiki/fair_credit_billing_act Credit Repair Organizations Act/CROA. The Credit Repair Organizations Act is at 15 U.S.C. Sector 1679, ET Sec. It was passed in 2003. ftc.gov/os/statutes/croa/croa.htm law.cornell.edu/s/code/15/1679.html. Chapter 2. Credit Repair Resources. Credit repair websites. Books about credit repair are at number 332.024, number 332.743 or HG 3752-3756 at the library. ftc.gov/bcp/conlani/pub/credit/repair.htm 100best-credit-reports.com 123finance.biz/credit_repair.html 1stplacedebtconsolidation.com poorcreditgenie.com/school.html, how to improve FICO score. AmericanCreditRepairPlus.com AmericanLoanSearch.com/info-creditrepair.htm AnnualCreditReport.com 877-322-8228, the free annual credit reports. BADCREDIT-CENTRAL.info BadCreditTradingRepairServices.com BCSAlliance.com/credit.html BeatlandsCreditRepair.com BestFortuneSecret.com CardReport.com CarryOneCredit.com ConsumerAction.gov ConsumerCreditRepair.com ConsumerDebtGroup.com Consumerist.com/34706/it's-still-possible-to-game-your-FICO-score-by-100-points-or-more CREDITADVICE.com CreditAttorney.com CreditBureauExperts.com CreditCardDebtManagement.com CreditFixingTips.com CreditInfoCenter.com/repair CreditMD.com CreditNet.com CreditProvide.com/credit-repair.html CreditTrading.com CREDIT-REPAIR.tv CreditRepairABC.com CreditRepairAfterBankruptcy.com CREDIT-REPAIR-COMPANY.ffind.eu.com CreditRepairFirms.net CreditRepairHelpGuide.com CREDIT-REPAIR-NEWS.com CreditRepairTools.com CreditRepairTutor.com CreditReportABC.com, they do some credit repair. CreditReportCoach.com CreditReportHelp.net CreditReportRepair.net CreditReports.for-free.com CreditRestore.biz CreditCoRestore.com CreditSolutions.com DebsMoneySite.com repair-credit.us RepairCreditAdvice.com RepairYourBadCredit.com RepairYourCreditFile.com RestoreCredit.biz self-credit-repair.com usacreditrepair.com ucancreditrepair.com Consumer Information Center Credit Booklets. Consumer Information Center, Pueblo, Colorado 81009 888-8 Pueblo. Publications.usa.gov publications.usa.gov/cic_text/money/credit-errors/creditator publications.usa.gov/cic_text/money/credit-record/cr-record publications.usa.gov/cic_text/money/credit-report/rs credit publications.usa.gov/cic_text/money/id-theft/id theft